Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Perkins County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for just an update here on our website. This is Wednesday, September the 25th, after school. So just a little update of what's going on this week and what's coming up here the next couple weeks. We don't have much time left before fall break. We have 6 school days. Just a reminder, we are not in school next Friday, October the 4th. We will not be in school in session, and the week following that will be fall break. So just a reminder of that. I do apologize to all if you've been trying to get on our website. We have the host for our website has had some issues the last couple weeks, and has caused us to have some problems with updating our website, and also our Notify Me did not go out this week. So there are some recognition I need to give real quick for everybody, but just an update of what's going on and what is to come for this week ahead. Our volleyball team has had another good stretch here, another good run, as they have defeated Ohio County here at home on Monday night, and had a good week last week where they defeated they defeated Owensville Catholic and Hancock County, so they have moved to 18-2 on their season. They will be next in action Thursday night of this week, as they'll be playing at Davis County. And then they'll be in action the weekend, the 4th, 5th, and 6th weekend, start of the weekend there at fall break, when they head to down to Paducah, to the McCracken County tournament, the Quad City. So good luck to them. Our football team did fall short last weekend to Grayson County, a great contest. Our Tigers now fall at 3-2 on the season. We had an outstanding night that night, as following the football game, there was a rave dance. We had about 250 students that stayed for that, so I'm really proud of our student body for coming out and supporting our Fighting Tigers, and then showing up at the dance and having a good night. That is what high school is all about. So I do encourage students to make memories, and those are opportunities they need to take advantage of while they're here. Our football team will be in action this Friday, as they'll be traveling down to Graves County. That is at 7 o'clock there on Friday night. This weekend, our Lady Tigers soccer team will be in action, as they will be hosting McLean County on Saturday morning. Our cross-country team is in action, as they'll be at the Hillbilly Run at Thomas Nelson High School, and our marching band is in action, as they'll be at Warren Central High School. So I'd like to wish all of those teams and organizations good luck. Next week will be college application week. It's an exciting week for our seniors. They have been going on college visits here the last couple weeks, but this week they'll be going over some resume building, some application forms, just different various things during their English classes to kind of help prepare them for college. So I look forward to next week and what is in store for them. Our 9 weeks is over next Thursday, October the 3rd, so be sure you do talk to your child about finishing up the first 9 weeks strong. In my opinion, I think the first 9 weeks is one of the toughest 9 weeks there is, just because it is the start of the year. It kind of sets the momentum for the school year. And if you start off with a failing grade, it's just really kind of tough to battle back. So I really encourage your child to make sure they work on their grades and do what they need to do to make sure they start off on a good foot. We do offer tutoring every day of the week except for Friday, so Monday through Thursday from 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock in the school library. Tutoring is available for them. And that concludes this week's Notify Me. I'll leave you just how we start every day here at the high school. Everyone work really hard, have a great day, and be a champion.